Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're asking yourself probably right now, Maria, what are you doing? Yes, I'm bored with the quarantine. I admit it, but I'm not cutting my hair. I'm actually coloring my roots, which I have already done always. I've done my hair probably for, I want to say like a couple years now. I actually do my own highlights. So I am not, I want to put a disclaimer out there. I am not a hairdresser. I do not have certification. Do not try this at home. I'm just filming it for entertainment purpose only. I know my hair. I know how much it can take. It's not damaged. I watch a lot of Ellebangs, so I'm gonna leave her channel links below because she has helped me a lot that I don't end up looking like a hot mess. So I'm gonna start off. I'm using this Redken Color Fusion, and it is 1 ounce to 1 ounce, and I'm using 30 developer. And like I said, hairstylists, don't come for me. I've done this before. I know what I'm doing for my hair. I'm not recommending it to anybody. So anyway, I'm going to put on my trusty gloves, and I'm dyeing my hair because yesterday I was filming. I was editing my video, and I looked down, and you could see black and gray hairs, and I was like, oh, Dios mío, ¿qué estás haciendo? So I was like, if I'm gonna keep filming, I gotta do my roots. And what better time to do that right now when we have nothing else to do but do your hair and film it. So let's get started. Do not first add the developer. It's because I'm doing this for the first time on camera, so I am not paying attention. Trying to pay attention to give you guys all the details and disclaimers. So let's see, 1 ounce of color. It's going to be 1 ounce of color. So I want to put in 1 ounce of developer. And then if I need more, I'll mix some more up. So there we go. And I'm going to go a little bit higher than the ounce because there's already hair color in there. All right. So I'm gonna mix that up. Make sure you're mixing away from your face. All right, so I did one side of my head, and I put aside my front bangs, but now I have to So I'm tying up my front pieces because these are super light, and I want to leave that light around my face. So I'm going over to this side now. I did one side already. I thought I was filming, but I was not, but that's okay. You guys can still see what I'm doing. And I started with the front because the back has more heat. Normally your head is hotter in the back than in the front, so it develops a lot faster, which is why I'm starting in the front. And it's super fast anyway. All right, front is done. And I'll go through and check it later. And now I'm going to do the back. Oh my God, I look like a witch. And now here, when I do the back, I really need to use a lot of paying attention with my fingers to make sure, like, I know right here is places that I've learned which places I miss. Because like I said, I've been doing this myself for a couple years now. So I know I'm always missing a spot in the crown area, so I do that now before I forget. Start with that, and then I just make sure that when I flip hair pieces over, I'm feeling that they're really thin, and you can actually see what you're pulling over. And if you touch, you can feel, your scalp. So let's do the back. All right, now I'm going to clean up all the mess that I made on my face. I just grab these pieces here. Before my face gets darkened as well. All right, so if you see spots in future videos, that's it. Oh my god. And I'm happy I'm doing my own hair because I'd probably be going stir crazy having these ugly roots and not being able to go to the, not knowing when I would, well, not knowing when I'll be able to go to the hair salon to get my roots done. All right, so I'm gonna go and let this process for 35 minutes and wash it off, and then I'll show you guys the grand reveal.
The next day.
And now I'm all done. The magic of filming. Oops, forgot to take this off. So there we go. It's all done. My roots are covered. Let me show you the back. Hopefully you can see the back. It's nice and soft. And now I forgot to mention that when I didn't show this on camera, when I covered my roots, I used the comb to comb it through so you don't get a straight line. I mean, I hope I don't. But I still kept my blonde, right here, my blonde forehead. And then as this grows out a little bit, then I'll do my, my highlights. So it kind of keeps it, you know, kind of keeps it to where I don't have to do it so often, kind of stretch it out. Because if I do the coloring and then the next day the highlights, then having to do it all over again is going to be a lot quicker, I think, at least for me. But as you can see, my hair is, I do use treatments for my hair and masks. I use Kerastase. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Kerastase. Kerastase is what it is. I use Kerastase as my shampoo, and I have an amazing conditioner that I found on Amazon that I'll link below for you guys if you want to try it out. And then I will use purple shampoo. I found a really good purple shampoo on Target, and it wasn't my idea. I think it was Brianna. Brianna, she's another YouTuber that mentioned it, and I have been loving it. Usually purple shampoo will dry your hair out a lot, but this one, it doesn't have like harsh chemicals in it, so it really doesn't, you know, damage my hair. And then I use, what's the other one? I use a Redken mask once a week, and then sometimes I will, and maybe once or twice a month, I'll do an Olaplex treatment, and that's it. So there we go. And I don't have my makeup on yet. So through the magic of the camera, and magic is done. Makeup is all done. That was fast, wasn't it? All right, so this is the look. If you like this look, this halo eye, you can watch it on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. All my social media links will be down below in my IGTV. All right, well, that's it. I hope you liked it. I think I did a pretty good job. All my gray is gone. And when I go like this, when I'm looking at my makeup, you guys won't see all this black mess of gray hair. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.